नमस्कार. आज आपण मॅथ्स 2 मधील पहिला चॅप्टर सिमिलॅरिटी हे पाहणार आहोत. मागच्या अशी सिमिलॅरिटीमध्ये आपण सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स बद्दल पाहिलेलं आहे. यावर्षी आपण पहिला थेरम सुरू करणार आहोत. द रेशो ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स. द नेम ऑफ द थेरम इज द रेशो ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स. व्हॉट इज द थेरम? Theorem is the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and the corresponding heights. I repeat the theorem, the statement of the theorem. The ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and the corresponding heights. Let we draw the figure. If what is given, two triangles, any two triangles. Suppose these two triangles are given. This is triangle ABC and another any triangle which is like PQR. These two triangles are given. Then if we draw the perpendicular of any side of the triangle, let we draw a perpendicular from A to BC. Suppose AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. That means in triangle ABC, BC is the base and AD is the height. In triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height. Then what is given? Given of the theorem is in these two triangles. Given is in these two triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, BC segment AD is perpendicular to side BC. Same as in triangle PQR, segment PS is perpendicular to side QR, which is given. And we have to prove that the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the product of their bases and corresponding heights. The base of ABC, triangle ABC, is BC into height AD upon the base of PQR is QR into height PS. For proof, we simply have we know the formula of area of triangle. The area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. We use this formula. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base is BC and height is AD. Similarly, the area of triangle PQR is also equal to half into the base of the PQR is QR into height is PS. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we get the ratio of this. We divide the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, the values of these are given, half into BC into AD divided by half into QR into PS. Let half get cancelled and hence area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS, which is proof. We have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. In general, if we get two triangles, I rub this theorem. If let two triangles are given, suppose two triangles are triangle 1 and triangle 2. Bases are B1, areas A1 and A2, bases B1 and B2, and heights H1 and H2. Then in general the formula becomes A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 H1 upon B2 H2. This is our formula of this theorem. Now if the height is the same, if the height is same, that means H1 is equal to H2, then what happened? A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 H1 upon B2 H2. Here H1 is equal to H2, therefore we get B1, we substitute H1 is H2 upon B2 H2. H2 get cancelled, hence A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Therefore our new formula become A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. When the height are same, then the areas are proportional with their bases. Similarly, if the base is same, that means B1 is equal to B2, then we get formula A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 H1 upon B2 H2. Here B1 is equal to B2, that means B2 H2 upon B2 H1 upon B2 H2. B2 get cancelled, it become H1 upon H2. Hence our formula become A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. That means if the bases are equal, the areas are proportion with their heights. And third one, if the both base and heights are equal, B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is equal to H2. We get A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 H1 upon B2 H2. Here both are equal, that means this ratio become 1 and hence we get A1 is equal to A2. That means if the base are equal and heights are equal, the ratio, the areas are equal. This is the first theorem of the similarity. Now we see some examples on this theorem. First example, in given figure, I draw a figure. A, B, C, D. In given figure, angle ABC is equal to angle DCB is equal to 90 degree. These both angles are given 90 degree. AB is equal to 10, DC is equal to 50, and we have to find the value of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB. These values are given. AB is equal to 10 and DC is equal to 50. Now in this figure there are two triangles ABC and DCB. Both triangles having common base BC. That means these triangles having common base, hence the areas are proportional with their corresponding heights. In triangle ABC and triangle DCB has common height, common base, which is BC. Therefore, their areas are proportional with their corresponding heights. Hence, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to AB upon DC. Now substitute the values of AB and DC. AB is 10 and DC is 15. We simplify this. We get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DCB is equal to 2 upon 3, which is our final answer. I give some examples and exercise after this video. Now the next topic is the area, the triangles having common vertex. The areas of the triangles having common vertex. Now the triangles having common vertex, that means if a triangle is given, suppose this is triangle ABC is given, and we draw another side, suppose AD inside the triangle. Here we get three triangles. First is ABC triangle, another ABD, and third one ADC. These three triangles having common vertex A. A has the common vertex. If we draw the perpendicular from A to the opposite side, suppose AM is the perpendicular drawn from the A to the opposite side. That means AM is the height. In triangle ABC, AM is the height and BC is the base. In triangle ABD, also AM is the height and BD is the base. In triangle ADC, which is octisangle triangle, here also the base is DC and height is AM. Height of the octisangle triangle is outside the triangle. Therefore, if the triangle having common vertex, triangle having common vertex, then the height of that triangles are equal. The heights are equal. And what is the basis? Bases are opposite of that common vertex. If A is the common vertex, then the bases are BD, DC and BC. This is called the triangles having common vertex. Okay. We get an examples on this. If a triangle is given, here PQR triangle is given, SR is given 4 and QR is given 12. Here SR is equal to 4 and QR is equal to 12, and we have to find the values of area of triangle PSR upon area of triangle PQR, area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle PQR, and area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle PSR. Now these three triangles having common vertex P, these three triangles are having common vertex P, and triangles are PQR, PQS and PSR. That means these triangles having common height and the bases are QS, QR and SR. There are given two length of sides SR and QR. We have to find QS first. Okay. Then we find QS. Here QSR, the betweenness of these points are Q dash S dash R. Therefore QS plus SR is equal to QR. The reason is Q dash S dash R, the betweenness between these 3 points. Now we have to find QS. QS plus SR is 4 is equal to 12. Therefore QS is equal to 12 minus 4, which is 8. Hence QS is equal to 8. That is equation number 1. Now we get the length of 3 sides. Then we find the areas, the ratio of that areas of these triangles. These are the triangles having equal heights because of they are common vertex. Therefore area of triangle PSR upon area of triangle, that is first part, PQR is equal to SR upon QR. The base of PSR is SR and PQR is QR. The reason is triangles having common height. The SR is 4 upon 12, which is 1 upon 3. Now second, area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, the base of PQS is QS and the base of PQR is QR. The reason is same, triangles having common height. Here QS is 8 from equation number 1 and QR is 12 from 1. Simplify this, we get 2 upon 3. That means this the ratio of these two triangles is 2 upon 3. Now third one, area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle PSR is equal to, the base of PQS triangle PQS is QS upon SR. The QS is 8 and SR is 4, that means 2 upon 1, that is the third ratio. Hence our answer is, write the ratios of 3 triangles, which is the answer. ह्या थेरम्सवरचे प्रश्न एक्झरसाइज मी नंतर देणार आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतरचा थेरम आपण पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. तोपर्यंत आपण थांबूया. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.